culture and the timeless legacy of Señor Santo Niño. This is Sinulog 2026 Grand Opening Number.
Celebrating not just our culture, but celebrating as well the Filipino faith. For those who are not familiar, the Sinulog movement, the 2 steps forward, 1 step back, is more than just a dance step. I believe it represents the fact that as we move on in life, we are still grounded. We still look back to where we are, our roots, our culture, our heritage. And I'm very proud to see this Filipino community here in Edmonton and in Olds and all the Karatig Bayan and all the cities next to Edmonton celebrate with each other, coming together. I have a 6 and a 4-year-old, so my vision is not short. I want my 6 and 4-year-old to enjoy this experience 10, 20, 30 years from now.
Viva Señor Santo Niño! Viva Pinsinao! My name is Alexa Mena, representing Viva Bungano!
Representing Barangay Road, Viva Pinsinao!
This is a team effort. Not one person, not a few, but it's a Visvin team. This is our tribe. This is our family. And to all of you, my gratitude is endless. To our sponsors, I know money doesn't grow on trees. As a business owner myself, I know that blood, sweat, and tears go into growing a business. So your generosity of donating and sponsoring will never be forgotten.
Refresh yourself
Unity